everybody, I'm Sophia Morales, and this is Little Snapple. Hi everybody.
What kind of dog is Snapple?
Her's a white dog, and her does everything her wants to, and her also can walk. Her can go speedness. Snapple, go!
Is she a hot dog?
Yes, and they're also free of water. Take a look.
No, don't spray her.
No,
And who's your other dog?
This is Stassi. Her's 12, and
She's 12 years old.
Yep, and her knows how to go speedness. That's her really go speed. It's to go speed. And one dog, Snapple, don't like going in the water. So
Where's the water?
over there, I'll just show you the water.
Okay.
But keep an eye on the puppy.
Well, maybe you should keep an eye on the puppies.
Daddy! Puppy! Snapple goes faster. Snapple goes faster than their people.
Oh yeah, tell me more.
Snapple goes speedness, but it'll walk try to speed onto the sidewalk. So Snapple likes to get dirty in this tank. So and then I like to be a sand. And the water's clear. So come take out the water. So be careful. There's a lot of trees. Love. Be careful, these. Sassy. Snapple. Keep going. You see the water? It's nice and cool.
What's that?
That's a fish. You want to hold it?
No. What's it doing here?
He's dead. Sassy. He's dead.
Uh-oh.
He's a pinch. He's a pinfish.
Or maybe a catfish.
Do you want to? I want to hold it.
No.
I want to see what's in his tummy.
Why?
I want to use a stick to find out what's in his tummy.
Sure.
Okay. Hold on. Flip, flip, flip. And then flip. Oh, there you go. Take a look at that then. You know what kind of fish it is?
Catfish.
Catfish. Cool. Let's go all the way over there and see what's all. There's another fish. Or not? No. I think let's put him back in the water. Lungs. There you go. Bye bye. Let's go and see where more adventures there are.
Okay, let's go.